Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are great and preparing for your exam in a very best possible way. So this is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard platform. Namaste and welcome to the platform once again. Today we are going to start percentage. So this is the class 1 and this is very basic class, right? So this class is especially for those students who are preparing in a very fresh manner, who are starting, who is beginning their journey, right? So this is a very basic class, and in this class we will learn very small things but very important point. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's start. We go ahead. So first is, what is percentage? So could you tell me what is percentage? So percentage is a tool of mathematics which we use to compare between more than two and more than two things, right? So percentage is basically a base of comparison. This is a base of comparison in which we assume base as 100, right? This is a base of comparison in which we take the base value, as 100. We take the base value as 100. So through this we are comparing two and more than things. So this is a base of comparison, or we can say tool of comparison, right? So percentage is a tool of mathematics through which we compare two and more than two things in which the base value we consider as 100, right? So if we talk about the percentage value, right? If we talk about the percentage value, right? So percentage values are written as a%, right? As a%. So these are the percentage values, right? So in broader sense, we divide the percentage value in two parts, right? We divide the percentage values in two parts. One is complete percentage value, and another is mixed fractional percentage value. So before jumping to mixed fractional percentage value, complete percentage value, so we have to understand something, right? So let me tell you what is complete percentage value. When we get the values like 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, so these are known as complete percentage value, right? When we have to study about the mixed fractional values, so these are like 2 whole 1 upon 2%, 6 whole 1 upon 4%, 14 whole 2 upon 7%. So these values are known as mixed fractional values, right? So to understand the percentage values, before we have to understand what is mixed fraction. So let's understand something about the mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Could anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what is mixed fraction? What do you understand by the mixed fraction? Yes, please. I told you this is a very basic class, right? So mixed fraction, so any number which is written in the form of q whole 1 upon d. So this is called mixed fraction, right? Mixed fraction. So basically this is in the form of q plus r upon d, where q is quotient, r is remainder, and d is divisor. Simple. Or we can say that, if I say that I got a number like 7 whole 1 upon 3. So this is a mixed fraction. In which quotient is any natural number or any whole number or any complete number, right? And this is a fraction. So the combination of two number, any natural number and fraction is known as mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is the combination of two type number. One is complete natural number and another is fraction, right? Got the point? So in complete number we take the quotient, and in fraction numerator contain remainder and denominator contain divisor, right? Is this clear? Yes. So I hope this is very much clear. See, if we have to write, if we have to change it, right? So we can say that or suppose I say that just write 7 plus 1 upon 3, right? So we can write this in two way, right? See, we can call it LCM is 3. So 7 into 3 is 21 plus 1, right? So we can write it 22 by 3, and we can also write it directly like 7 whole 1 upon 3. See, this is like same. If I say that just add 8 plus 0.6, right? So you can say that this is equal to what? 8.6. Yes, yes or no? So instead of, if I say that 8 plus 3 by 5, right? So you can directly write it 8 whole 3 upon 5, right? So this is the mixed fraction, right? So in mixed fractional numbers, here by default sign is of plus. By default sign is plus. Is this clear? By default sign is plus. Yes. So we can say that when we are writing a mixed fractional number, okay, what is the correct form? See, so let's take an example. If I say that 57 divided by 5, right? So just write it in mixed fraction. Write it in mixed fraction. So you can say that just 5 divided by 57 divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5. Take 7 down. Okay. Again 5 1 ja 5. So 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. 5 is the divisor. 5 is the divisor. And 11 is the quotient. 11 is the quotient. See, remainder must be less than the divisor. Remainder must be less than the divisor. So we can write it 11 whole 2 upon 5, right? 11 whole 2 upon 5. Now I think this is very much clear. Mixed fraction is what? So 11 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder, and 5 is the divisor, right? See, tell me, this formation is clear or not? I think now this formation is more clear. It is more clear now. Yes, it is more clear now. We can say that, see, 57 divided by 5 is equal to what? 11 whole 2 upon 5. So we can write it 11 whole 2 upon 5. Yes, is this clear? Yes, please. Tell me everyone, is this clear? Yes. See, so the remainder must always be less than the divisor, right? Remainder must always be less than the divisor. Only then it is right. Only then it is right. So let's take few more example. So you have to convert them in mixed fraction, right? Convert following into mixed fraction. Simple. First is 167 divided by 9, 237 divided by 13. Just convert them into mixed fraction. Yes, please. So you can say that, sir, this is a very small task. This is a very small task. We can do this. Just divide it. Okay. Divide by 9 1 ja 9. So directly 9 1 ja 9. How much is left? 7. So 9 8 ja 72. 9 8 ja 72. 5 by 9. Yes, directly you can write it. So 13 1 ja 13. See, 13 1 ja 13. See, divide 237 by 13. So 13 1 ja 13. Yes. So we can say that 13 8 ja 104. So 3 is remainder, right? So we can say that 18 whole 3 by 13. Simple, no problem. So likewise 15 2 is 30. Complete not divisible, take 0. So we can say that 12 upon 15. Okay. So now it is cancelled out. We can cancel it. By 3 it is 4 times. By 3 it is 5 times. So 20 whole 4 by 5, right? So the remainder must be less than the divisor, right? Is this clear? No problem, no doubt. See, so divided by 9, 4 3 2. 9 4s are 36. How much is left? 7. So completely divisible. 9 9 8s are 72, right? 9 8s are 72. So simply we can say that 48. Okay. Or if you want to write 0 divided by 9. Simple. Okay. Yes. No problem. See, if you ever get a situation in which you get the number 12 whole 37 divided by 5. Now tell me, is this the right mixed fraction? So you will say that, sir, this is not the right mixed fraction. So just convert them into the right mixed fraction. So just put a heading, convert following into right mixed fraction. Yes, please. Convert the following into right mixed fraction. Just convert them into the right mixed fraction. Yes, please. See, so we will be using each and every concept during dealing with the percentage, right? Or percentage value. See, so here the remainder is more than the divisor. So this is not in right mixed fraction, right? So we can write it, see, 12 plus 37 by 5, right? Yes, we can write it in 12 plus 37 by 5. So 12 plus, just divide 37 by 5, right? So 5 7 ja 35. Yes, 5 7 ja 35, 2 by 5, right? So directly we can add. So we can say that the value of this is equal to 19 whole 2 upon 5, right? 19 whole 2 upon 5. So this is the right form of mixed fraction, right? So here we can write it 18 plus 11 4 ja 44, 1 upon 11. See, now we can write it 11 plus 4 whole 1 upon 11 can be written as 4 plus 1 upon 11, right? So it is 22 whole 1 upon 11, right? 22 whole 1 upon 11. Simple. See, now we can write it 21 plus 13 4 ja 52, right? So 5 by 13. So directly we can say that 21 plus 4, that is 25 whole 5 by 13. Yes, clear? So likewise, see, now can you write directly? See, so we are going to divide, right? So just divide. So we will get the quotient. See, 9 3 ja 27, right? So what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. So just add the quotient in the complete number. So 3 plus 23. So 26, 2 by 9. So we can write it directly, right? After practicing, we can write it directly. Yes, no problem. Yes, my dear friend. I hope this is very much clear. Yes. So we have understood that, so till now we have understood that mixed fraction, see, mixed fraction is in the form of quotient plus remainder divided by divisor, right? So we can write it like quotient whole r upon d, or we can write in the form of quotient into divisor plus remainder divided by. So these are the two forms, right? These are the two forms. So now next point is, now subtract, see, now we have to subtract the fraction from the 1, right? So next point is if I say that 1 minus 3 by 7, right? Now tell me what would be the answer. If I say that 1 minus 5 by 11, so tell me what would be the answer. If I say that 1 minus 9 by 13, 1 minus 7 by 17, just tell me what would be the right answer. Simple. See, so many of you can say that, sir, if we have to subtract the fraction from the 1, so simply take the LCM, right? So 7 1 ja 7 minus 3, so I will get 4 by 7, right? I will get 4 by 7. So my dear friend, you are not supposed to do like this, right? So what you have to do, whenever you have to subtract a fraction from the 1, so directly you can do, just write the denominator value, then subtract the numerator from the denominator. So 7, so 3 minus 7, 4. So just write it. So this is the right answer. See, whenever we have to subtract a fraction from the 1, right? So directly we can say that just take the denominator value as it is. Now subtract numerator from the denominator. So 5 minus 11, 5 minus 11 is what? 6. 6 by 11 is the right answer. Simple. So likewise here we can say that 13 as it is, 9 minus 13, so 4. So 4 by 13 is the right answer. Simple. So likewise 17 minus 7, so 10 divided by 17. Is this clear? So I hope this is very much clear, right? This is very much clear. See, if I say that you have to subtract 3 whole 3 by 7, right? 18 minus 3 whole 3 by 7. Just do this. Yes, please. 19 minus 5, 7 by 10. 22 minus 7, 1 upon 5. Yes, please. Yes, English medium new batch has already started, so you can check it out. Yes, it has already been started, so you can check it out on the website, or I'll tell you in the last of the session. Okay. See, if we have to subtract a mixed fraction from the complete number, so see, here is what? 3. So what we have to do? So we just subtract one more. See, I'll tell you later on why we are doing this. Okay. So 18 minus 4. See, just subtract 18 minus 4. So you will get what? 14. Then take 7 as it is. Take the denominator value as it is and subtract 3 from the denominator. So 7 minus 3, 4. So this is the right answer. Okay. So directly we can write it. See, here is the 5. So just subtract one more. Just subtract one extra. So we can say that 5, 5, one more of 5, 6. So just subtract 6 from this. Okay. So you will get what? So you will get 13. Okay. then take the denominator value as it is. So 7, so 10 minus 7, 3. So 13 whole 3 by 10 is the right answer. 13 whole 3 by 10 is the right answer. So I hope this thing is very clear. So just subtract one more, 8, 22 minus 8. So 22 minus 8, so 40. Take 5 as it is. So 1 minus 5, 4. Okay. So 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Yes. So just subtract one more. So I will get here 21. See, take 11 as it is. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7, then 3. So 21 whole 3 by 11 is the right answer. Yes. So I hope this thing is very much clear. See how I am doing this, or why I am doing this. See, 25 minus 3 whole 11 upon 15. See, so we can do one thing, right? See, we can split it. See, 21 plus 4 minus 3, 11 upon 15. Is this clear? Yes or no? Or you can understand like this, 25 minus, we can write this 3 plus 11 upon 15. Yes, yes or no? See, everyone know that 3 plus 11 upon 15 is written as 3 whole 11 upon 15. Yes, is this clear? So it is very easy. It is very easy when we are summing or when we are adding complete number with fraction, right? But when we are subtracting, it is little bit tough, right? So 25 minus 3, 11 upon 15. So it is little bit tough. So we have to understand the each and every step clearly, right? So we can write it like this. See, 25 minus 3 minus 11 upon 15. See, 3 is already subtracted. So 22 minus 11 upon 15. Is this clear? So now we split it like 21 plus 1 minus 11 upon 15, right? So doing this is very easy. See, 1 minus 11 upon 15, we already know this is very easy. So we can say that 15 minus 11, 4. So 4 by 15 is the right answer. Simple. So likewise, see, so we can do it with ease. So 21 whole, right? 15 minus 11, 4 by 15 is the right answer. So I hope this thing is very much clear to you all. Yes. So why we are doing? We are just, whenever we have to subtract a mixed fraction from the complete value, right? So what we do? We subtract one extra of the whole number, then give the treatment. Okay. So one more example. If I say that 29 minus 7, 11 whole 13. So simply here is what? 7. See, the complete number is what? 7. So take one more extra number, 8. Subtract it, 29 minus 8. So that is 21. Then take the denominator as it is. 13 minus 11, 2. So this is the right answer. This is the right answer. I hope this thing is very much clear to you all. Okay. Yes. See, now next step is fraction to percentage. How to convert the fraction to percentage. See, there are two approaches. See, when we are going to use the percentage values, or when we are going to study about the percentage. Okay. So in percentage, so we have two approaches. We have two approaches. One is ratio approach. One is ratio approach. Another is 100 base approach. 100 base approach. Right? So in ratio approach, we follow some step, right? In ratio approach, we follow some step. In 100 base approach, we also follow some step, right? So first of all, we will understand the ratio approach, and this approach is going to be used more or less in every chapter of the mathematics. See, percentage is the heart of the mathematics. If you understand the percentage in a very well manner, it means you are going to have a good command over the complete maths, right? So ratio approach, so there are some steps. So first step, we must know how to convert fraction into percentage value, or we must know how to convert percentage value into fraction. right? So this is the first step, right? So let's learn how to convert fraction to percentage, how to convert fraction to percentage. And another important point, if see, what is another important point? See, if we have to place a percentage value, right? See, if we have, there is any fraction p by q, right? So we have to convert it into, so this is fraction, and we have to convert it into percentage value, right? So we will multiply here by 100, right? So we will get 100p upon q. So automatically we will get percentage sign, right? Yes or no? If we have to remove percentage, it means we can write it a upon 100, right? Because the numerical value of 1%, see, numerical value of 1% is equal to what? 1 upon 100, 1 upon 100. So simply we can say that this is the sign of percentage. This is the sign of percentage if we have to place the sign, right? If we have to place the sign, so we will multiply by 100. If we have to remove this sign, see, if we have to remove this sign, then we will multiply it by 1 upon 100, right? So this is the simple fact we must know, or all must know about it, right? So next point is conversion of fraction into percentage, right? See, we have to convert the fraction into percentage. So simply we can say that, see, 1 upon 1, 1 is a complete fraction, so we can write it, it is equal to 100%, right? See, 1 upon 2, so just multiply by 100, right? So it is equal to 50%. Is this clear? 1 upon 3, so just multiply by, see what we are doing, 1 upon 3 into 100. So this is equal to what? 33 whole 1 upon 3%. Yes, is this clear? Yes or no? So simply we can say that, or if you want do like this, you can see. So 3, see, 1 upon 3 fraction, we can write it 1 upon 3 into 100. So simply equal to 33 whole 1 upon 3%, right? Yes. 1 upon 4 is equal to, we can write it 1 upon 4 into 100. So we can write it 25%, right? 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5 into 100. So we can write it 20%. Simple. 1 upon 6 means 1 upon 6 into 100. So 16 whole 2 upon 3%. I think this is very much clear to you all. Okay. See, 1 upon 7. So we can write it 1 upon 7 into 100. So simply it is what? 14 whole 2 upon 7%. Simple. 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 8 into 100. So it is equal to what? 12 whole 1 upon 12 whole 1 upon 2%, right? 1 upon 9 is what? 1 upon 9 into 100. So we can write it 11 whole 1 upon 9%, right? Yes. 1 upon 10. So simple, 1 upon 10 into 100. It is equal to 10%. Simply 1 upon 11. So 1 upon 11 into 100. It is equal to what? 9 whole 1 upon 11%. Simple. So 1 upon 12. So 1 upon 12 into 100. So it is equal to 8 whole 1 upon 3%, right? Yes. Simple. So likewise 1 upon 13, right? So 1 upon 13 into 100. So we can write it 7 whole 9 upon 13%, right? So 1 upon 14. So 1 upon 14 into 100. So by 2 it is 7 times, 50 times. So 7 whole 1 upon 7%. Is this clear? Yes or no? Yes. See, 1 upon 15. So 1 upon 15 into 100. So simply we can say that by 5 it is 3 times, by 5 it is 20 times. So 6 whole 2 upon 3%, right? So likewise 1 upon 20 is what? 1 upon 20. So simply 1 upon 20 into 100. So we can say that it is equal to 5%, right? Is this clear? Yes. See, these fraction values become the base for many good fractions, right? So see, likewise we can say that suppose you get see 1 upon 6 and 5 upon 6. Just do this. 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7. Convert them into percentage, right? Just convert these fraction values into percentage. Yes, please. Convert all these fractional values into percentage. Yes, please. See, we all know that 1 upon 16 is what? 16 whole 2 upon 3%, right? So 5. 5 upon 6, so 5 times of it. So simply we can say that 16 5s are 80 and 10 upon 3. So this is not the right mixed fraction. So I already told you, so we can write it 80 plus 3 3s are 1 plus 1 upon 3, right? So directly we can say that 83 whole 1 upon 3%. So now you should understand why I am going to tell you each and everything in detail, right? Why we discuss about the mixed fraction in the percentage, right? So just because of this, I think this is more clear now. Yes. See, we everyone know that 1 upon 7 is equal to what? 14 whole 2 upon 7%, right? So 2 upon 7, it is double of 1 upon 7. So just make it double. So 28 whole 4 upon 7. No problem. See, this is 3 times of 1 upon 7. So just make it 3 times. So just multiply here 3. So 14 3 is 42. 6 upon 7%, right? Now just multiply here by 4. 1 upon 7 is equal to this. 4 upon 7 is equal to what? Just multiply here by 4, right? So 14 4 is 56. Here 8 by 7. So this is not the right form of mixed fraction. So we can directly write it. See, for more understand, I am writing it. So 56 plus 1 plus 1 upon 7, right? So this is equal to what? 57 whole 1 upon 7. So once it is understood, so directly we can say that 7 1 is 7. So remainder is 1. So 1 will be added in the whole number. So 56 plus 1, directly we can write 57. So 1 upon 7 remainder, right? See, here directly we can say that just multiply by 5. So 14 5s are 70. 5 2s are 10 divided by 7, right? So now directly we can say that 7 1 is 7. So it is 71 whole. Remainder is 3 by 7. I think the concept is more clear now. Is this clear? Yes. This is clear. Yes. See, suppose we got a number. Suppose we got a number 9 whole 9 upon 7. Now we have to write it in percentage. So there are two ways, right? So just multiply by 100 and convert it. And what is the smart approach? So we can say that, see, 7 divided by 2. So we can say that 2 whole 2 upon, see, 2 whole 2 upon 7, right? So we can say that 2 whole 2 upon 7. So 2 is what? 200%. And 2 upon 7. See, 1 upon 7, 14 whole 2 upon 7. So 2 upon 7 is what? 28 whole 4 upon 7. So directly we can say that it is equal to 228 4 upon 7%. Is this clear? Once the process is clear, so directly we can write. Directly we can write it. See, if I say that we have to convert 10 upon 7 into percentage. See, directly we can say that 7 1 is 7. Sorry. It is not 200. Sorry. This is 1 whole 2 upon 7. So 1 is means 100%. Sorry. Just correct it. So we can write it like 128 whole 4 upon 7%, right? See, So we can write it 7 1 just 7, 3 by 7, right? So we have to convert it into percentage. So 1 is equal to 100%, 1 is equal to 100%, and 3 by 7 we understood. See, 3 by 7, 42 whole 6 upon 7, right? So 46 whole 2 upon 7, right? Sorry, 42 whole 3 upon 7, sorry, 6 upon 7. So directly we can say that 142 6 upon 7%. Yes, clear? I hope this is more clear now. Okay. See, so next point is percentage into fraction. So what is percentage into fraction? So we know that 1% is equal to 1 upon 100. So formation is A% is equal to A upon 100. Simple. So 2% is what? 1 upon 50. 3% is what? 3 upon 100. See, 2 upon 100, numerator and denominator are cancelled by 2, right? So like 4% is equal to what? 1 upon 25. So 5% is equal to what? 1 upon 20. So we can say that 10% is equal to what? 1 upon 10. 20% is equal to what? 1 upon 5. 50% is equal to what? 1 upon 2. And 100% is equal to what? 1 upon 1, that is 1, right? So these are the basic percentage values, right? So we use all these. See, suppose I got 8%. Suppose I got 8%. So we remember that 4% is equal to what? 1 upon 25, right? So 8% is what? 2 upon 25. Simple. If I got 12%, so it is 3 times. See, it is 3 times. So we can write it 3 by 25. Simply. Suppose I got 24%, right? So it is 6 times. So 6 by 25. 6 by 25. Okay, no problem. Is this clear? Is this clear? I hope this is very much clear to you all. Yes. See. So if I say that 5%, so everyone is saying that 5% is equal to 1 upon 20. So what is 15%? So directly we can say that 3 by 20. Okay, no problem in this, no problem. Yes. See, and the next point is, see, next point is, if I got values like, see, 9 whole 1 upon 11%, right? So everyone say that this is equal to 1 upon 11, right? So many times, see, we write it like 9.09%. So 9.09% is also equal to 1 upon 11, right? So we must know this, right? If we are not understanding, if we are not knowing this form, right? So we wouldn't be able to convert it rightly into the fraction, right? So this is the, see, because 1 upon 11 we cannot write it in terminating decimal number, right? So this is a non-terminating decimal number. So this is the just approximation of this. Okay, so we can say that if I get a number like 18.18, so what is the value of 18.18? So this is equal to what? 2 by 11, right? 2 by 11, because it is 2 times. If I got a number 27.27, right? So tell me what would be the fraction value of this? So this is 3 times of this. So we can write it 3 by 11, right? Yes. So this would be equal to 3 by 11. So likewise, see, likewise, if I say that 11 whole 1 upon 9%. So this is equal to 1 upon 9. Very much clear? Yes or no? But if I got the same number in the form of decimal, like 11.11%, right? So this is also equal to 1 upon 9. So you must remember this, right? So currently you are getting question from this section, right? See, if you got the number 22, see, 22.22%, right? So this is equal to what? 2 by 9, right? If you got the number 44.44%, 44.44%. So this is equal to what? 4 upon 9. So you must remember this. 55.55%. So this is equal to what? See, this is equal to 5 by 9. Yes. If you got 77.77%, so simply you can write it. 7 by 9. Yes. 88.88%. So this is equal to what? 8 by 9. Yes, 8 by 9. Yes. So I hope this is very much clear to you all. See, if I got the number like this, so next we have to understand what is the ratio approach. What is the ratio? How we form the ratio? How we form the ratio? See, if I say that, see, normally we use the percentage value in two sense, right? Percentage values majorly are used in two sense, right? One is in the sense of increase and another is in the sense of decrease. Okay, in the sense of increase or in the sense of decrease. So in two sense majorly we are going to use the percentage values, right? So we have to use the ratio approach, right? See, if I say that a number is increased by 16 whole 2 upon 3%, right? So simply first step we need to convert it into fraction, right? So percentage value 16 whole 2 upon 3% can be written as 1 upon 6 in the fraction. Now we all know how to convert it. Yes, yes or no? We all know how to convert it. See, simply we can say that 16 whole 2 upon 3%. So 16 into 3, 48 plus 2, 50 divided by 3 into 1 upon 100. So simply we can say that by 50 it is 2 times. So 1 upon 6, right? See, if I say that 14 whole 2 upon 7%, so simply we can say that 14 into 7, 98 into 100. 100 divided by 7 into 1 upon 100. Okay, so it is 1 upon 7, right? So we all know this. Yes or no? So similarly we can say that if we have to create the ratio, so denominator always represent the base and initial value. Base and initial value, right? And this is the effect. This is the effect, increase or decrease. So we can say that initial and final. So the ratio is 6:2. If it is increased, so make it increase. Okay. If I say that value is decreased by 16 whole 2 upon 3%, right? So it will become what? 1 upon 6 decrease, right? So ratio is initial to final, that is 6, and 6 minus 1, 5, right? So this is the ratio of decrease. So I hope this is very much clear. So let's practice. If I say that you have to create the ratio, you have to create the ratio of initial and final. Initial and final. If I say that there is an increase of 12.5% increase, 20% increase, 30% increase, right? So tell me what would be the ratio. If I say that see, 16 whole 2 upon 3% decrease, 25% decrease, and 40% decrease. Just create the ratio. So what would be the ratio, please? Yes. See, here we can say that we can write, so this is 1 upon 2. So 12 whole 1 upon 2. So we can write it 1 upon 8. So ratio is 8:9. So numerator showing the increase. Okay. So 20% is equal to 1 by 5, right? So we can write it 5:6, right? 30%, 3 by 10. So we can write it 10:30. No problem. See, 16 whole 2 upon 3%. So 1 upon 6. So initial into final. So we can say that 6:5, right? So 1 upon 4. So 4:3, right? 2 upon 5. So we can write it 5:3. Simple. So we got the ratio. So now tell me what will be the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, when 44.44% of a number is added in itself, then the number becomes. So we know that 44.44%. So how we can calculate the fraction value of this? We all know that 11.11% is equal to what? So this is equal to 1 upon 9, right? So this is equal to 4 upon 9. Very much clear. So we can say that the ratio for initial to final. So simply we can say that 9:13. So number is 13, but the actual number is what? 52520. So it is how many times? So 1 unit is equal to 13 4 ja 52 0. 13 4 ja 52, right? So we can say that 4040, right? So 900 9 4 ja 36. So 36360 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Okay. So I hope the ratio approach is clear now. So we will study the ratio approach in different sense in different chapters, right? So this is very useful approach. So try these questions on your own. So this is all from my side for today, right? So we will try these questions tomorrow, right, in the next session. So this is all from my side. So one student was asking how we can get the current wedges, right? See, just go to the oliveboard website. You will get the interface like this, right? So just click on the course section. You will get the interface like this. See, in the 4th row, you will get English medium courses, SSC plus railway. See, this is the SSC CGL Success Foundation Mission 2025, right? SSC CHSL Success Foundation 2025. So we are targeting for the new session. So these are the fresh batches. You can check it out according to your need. Okay. So this is all from my side. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with us. Jai Hind.